Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 GMC Terrain in an SLE-2 trim and powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power and with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. Power outlet here. Underneath this cover, you have your spare tire with some extra room around there for other stuff. Then looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet down here in the middle. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and a Pioneer sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 81,729 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius. If we look at actual sources, there's Stitcher, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your media controls here, and then your climate controls with heated front seats, so you can stay cozy, as well as your hazards. And then you have these buttons here to cycle through your information, such as your digital speedometer, tire pressures. You can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, distance empty, fuel economy, average speed, trip timer, navigation. But then moving on to your, down here, you have a little cubby, and then a bigger cubby with a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Two cup holders, your traction control shutoff, another little cubby here, and then your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with a removable tray and your USB and auxiliary inside, so you can plug something in from there to, or you can hook up your audio from there is what I should say. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.